Abusia mema wo akwaba edo ba Amazing TV eso. Mesra wo subscribe to this very YouTube channel so unya and subscribe ya. Na like this video we na share na afoforo enya bi enhwe se wo aginchire bi afafa comment box ne mu yensa ebeka abusia dwumadie a wo hwei aya 3 in 1 news ewo Amazing TV eso na se de monim se de sie de mamo ewo 3 in 1 news so no ya de news makoma 3 ede mawo ewo show ba akopeso ema mo fili na monim ayade sa branta ya friend se medical oni Fela Makafi ase nansen omo trende pawade mo de omo ye nkrofo bi a ase omo nso omo abetrende sa sense omo baye na so mo agina mu sa because of like baby omo free baye no what I said o say ekoye say Fela Makafi age medical efiri obi nsam a kire say after na kra no sa case no yenya nso vum ye afi na mahu say nipa na ye je medical free ni nsam no afi na mahu say ase abrewa eyi poma kwem ama kire say be ma bi aye den I find it no. Now the tell say Fela Makafi I say woka asem bi e woka say na asem a woka ne de this medical na kire say wa be confirm e de amaye because asem no ye hunu de Fela Makafi epese wo kire but mesra mo ma yen hyase emfa emfiri aha say kai say dwumadie a wo hwei aya 3 in 1 news yes like it the tell say medical El Chamanu waba be post no on the Twitter page say we aye the recent post bi no a wode ababegu ne Twitter page yes abusia wababe post to say o say time o say time no dey o say time no dey go jail o say time no dey go for jail 1 minute be like 1 week for there what I say o say time no dey go for jail 1 minute be like 1 week for there what I say sometimes I find it difficult to read their PG what I say PG no ya na ne kind no edin because nipa no be twere ne say they will sit here but we are kind no reading it no sometimes you find it difficult abusia ana wuni asan so ebeto aso etwere say o say I dey hang rough o say fit say o free jail ebaye as Fela Makafi emma aduane entimi ono medical ne sa what I say yes as a accommodate minim say akomo ase wanchiremu se bia ya yasekom anase ebia nanum like eyemukom de bia dele dia mintimi nyadan mintimi nchire but o say he dey hang rough what I said yes na mesramo moma yensan so enhwe we ewo ha say medical ababe post to say abranta your friend say Shatawale aya kire say one don o si Shatawale a surprise na ma wono ankasa kora no se de ne ho asi adwiri no minim se sa surprise ni bi na kire say omode akoto efie e de ama omoba island ne de mintimi nyadan mintimi kire but according to medical no o kire mu a after say oni Shatawale mu nyina akoda jail na omosan so e ba abonte no o si Shatawale are breaking the bank account with a very huge amount I said the o si twire nsem no wanto amount ni din wambo amount ni din say ebia 1 billion and I say 2 billion but ono de obetwere say o say Shatta just break my account just one shout what I say yes o say Shatawale are breaking the bank account no actually according to medical no o say wo hunu de wanya den onye na misusu say betumi aba say sikai actually say kapu wadi asende medical enu bi na actually say omodi akwakoto efie edi ama omoba no na yenhwe medical ne Fela Makafi aso mo showcase efie bi a efie na efe pa according to ni yebeka say omoato edi ama omoba island but na nkrofo bi edichim say an omo ahyeda ne ye hokora ne ba medical aba abonten aba be confirm say wase eye nokole say efie no omoato edi ama omoba ketwa no what I say yes na say ni said the osi beka ensam no e the Twitter page I say congrats to my daughter Island for her new home. Big thanks to Unique Homes for making this happen. Project Island is a beauty. Thanks to my beautiful queen. Yes, at Fela Makafi or that the Fela Makafi ase. Yes, medical and no. Abusia mama young kwasha de Fela Makafi so aya no waka say ye. But madin say obe like this video way. Na wa share e de ama yan what ase. Yes, ye we medical and part de no. the medical epese wachire no ye we are moving on to Fela Makalfi na mama yenhwe de Fela Makalfi so o chire no ekase yi abusia like sa video we abusia wonim say before say Fela Makalfi any medical ebesia no na medical ebo na nyom dada e na Fela Makalfi so otwasini sabre no na omode ayi series bia ne title no ayi yolo asa no omode ababontin na kire say ayi sini no trendy gidigidi na the ten say Fela Makalfi ase we make statement bi asa acha kakra what as here we make statement bi say we say ne maame nom ene ne papa nom aye nkrofo bi a chese ehia wo mo ose wo mu wosika eba ne sika pa dia omu obi na ne maame ewo companies ene efie no mu akyerese ano odin akyerese Fela Makalfi ena akyerese wo ye den wo kan sansem no what as here yes oda sansem no adi wa abra na one McBrown na ama McBrown eye interview ena akyerese wo kan se ne maame ewo sika pa what as here na omo ho enkyere wo mo te se de e bi aga na fo yesusu no Fela Makalfi ena woda sansem no adi na mesra mo mama yenhwe de obapa Fela Makalfi wasan so ababe post ni wo ekase yei bo modin so be like this video we o say you see this lifestyle me kan tie ni ye mi wi a mechire mu na kire bibia aye kama e dia maye nyina o say you see this lifestyle I worked so hard for this I am more than grateful I say, I'm glad for all that I had to go through in this life to get there. All the pain, the tears, the sleepless nights, they were all part of this. Wished I could just scream and shout. Only my husband and my close family knows why. Lol, I came to Accra with a Ghana must. I say I came to Accra with a Ghana must go. Lol. Slept in kiosks with my mom for years. Me pachotie. What's it? I say slept in kiosks with my mom for years. I say na case near then. I wanna had to wake up at dawn to bath. Charlie, God bless us all. I can never be ungrateful. We aye Fela Makalfi. Enchiro ye. Abusia, according to Fela Makalfi in the interview with McBrown, or say, ne mami aye obi a ne ho nchire no. What I say? Yes, ne mami obi a ase she owns companies or so ase obi ase o de ne ho. Yemfa ne say we average Ghanaian. Na abusia, average Ghanaian a kire se ne ba ene Fela Makalfi. Fela echiremu a ose wone ne maame every voter eba akire se Accra no eyade se baabi omo daaye eye kiosumu na wei ena Ghana fo no bi ebisa se na sabre no a na mo da kiosumu no na wo maame ni companies no ahye anase wode asi ya wowa anase waye ne dan a na mo da kiosumu na wo ya ma wa no aye tutu wachase yes na asem we die gise medical eba abonten ebe chirem because yante wo Fela Makalfi ase wei ane de ebinum ayeden eka ede afa Fela Makalfi ni nsam se ena ne maame wosika enso omoba Accra na omoda kiosk mu ana kiosk no na ne buodin ebetimi abase kiosk no ena na ne buodin watiase ebia omo rent kiosk no very expensive ena na omo yeden ena na omo dam yes wei ane de eko a mema waso ayeden atibie Fela Makalfi the story a wo no nso wode ababonten eno no aha sei eye amazing TV ma mefa wo NC ehei